There are a lot of products on the market. In this video, I selected top 10 best drones on Amazon. So I think this video helps you to find the best 4K camera drone. I made this list based on the high percentage of sales, review, and price. I discussed all the important things about these drones. 1. OneRose Teledrone. Equipped with a high-quality image processor, the Teledrone shoots incredible photos and videos. Camera features 5 megapixels, 2592 by 1936 photos and HD 720 videos at a maximum flight time of 13 minutes. Telo has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. The drone video capture resolution, HD 720p. 2. DJI Mini Shay. DJI Mini Shay is the same weight as a smartphone. The lightweight and powerful DJI Mini Shay camera drone is the ideal for creators on the move. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and clarity. DJI Mini Shay can resist 29 to 38 km/h winds, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline. 3. Parrot Anaphy. This drone comes with a camera equipped with f/2.4 wide-angle ASPH lens (HDR) and up to 2.8 times digital zoom, which captures spectacular 4K videos. Additionally, you have a timer, a burst mode that captures 10 photos per second. The Anaphy Parrot drone can have up to 25 minutes of filmed flight time. This quadcopter drone unfolds in less than 3 seconds, reaches a speed of 55 km/h in sport mode. Equipped with a Parrot SkyController 3 folding remote control, the Anaphy Parrot drone can be located at any time. 4. DJI Mini 2. It weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion. A 12MP camera in the sky delivers content guaranteed to impress. Along with 4K 30fps video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, Mini 2 ensures stunning image quality. Mini 2 supports up to 10 km of HD video transmission. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distances. With just a few taps, Mini 2 automatically records and shoots professional-level videos. 5. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The drone weighs less than 249 grams, the foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry. Capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K 60fps video and 48 megapixels photos, high-quality imagery. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tri-directional obstacle sensing. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features. 6. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Equipped with a Hasselblad L1D-20C camera with a 20 megapixels 1-inch CMOS sensor, the Mavic 2 camera drone lets you capture gorgeous aerial shots. Up to 31 minutes flight time, 44 mph max speed, 8 GB internal storage. Functions include Active Track 2.0, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, hyperlapse, low noise design, adjustable aperture, HDR photos. 7. DJI Avata. Enjoy total immersion and intuitive control with DJI Avata. With the DJI motion controller, intuitive flight is in your hands. Enjoy next-level imagery with the 1/1.7-inch sensor. The lightweight and compact design of Avata makes it more capable of agile maneuvers. Avata offers an impressive 18-minute flight time. 8. PowerEgg X Wizard. It includes waterproof housing, water landing floats and an extra battery. 4K 60fps UHD camera produces professional quality video. Patented sync voice technology picks up high-fidelity sound using the mobile phone's microphone. AI face recognition technology delivers accurate remote face recognition. A multi-function device that can also be used as an autonomous personal AI camera. 9. DJI Mavic 3. With a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, the sensor provides a 12.8 stop dynamic range. Stay in the air longer and capture more with a flight time of 46 minutes. DJI Mavic 3 drone with camera is equipped with advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The DJI Mavic 3 drone offers a 15km max transmission range. With a new advanced RTH system, Mavic 3 camera drone can return to its home point. 10. DJI Phantom 4 Pro Plus. The Phantom 4 Pro Plus V2.0 camera drone comes with a CMOS sensor that eliminates rolling shutter distortion. With the 5.5-inch 1080p LCD screen built in the remote, your images are easily visible even in direct sunlight. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 is a beast when it comes to flight performance and speed. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 offers draw mode, which lets you control the flight path with a fixed altitude. Links of all these products are given under this video in the description. You can easily buy them from their respective stores in the best prices. If you want more amazing videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.